Everybody's welcome here, we're all a family. Serve me up some gravy, come on pass the mac and cheese. Got my mama's mashed potatoes, yes we're bringing every flavor. We're only getting started, passing out those party favors. Step right in, sit on down, all my friends, spread it right. Everyone's invited, we got different kinds of people. Pull up a chair, got a seat at the table. Feeling good, it's a vibe, always here, rain or shine. Now's the time to come alive, together for the holidays, yeah. Oh, everybody's welcome together for the love. Feel the love, feel the love. Don't it feel so good? Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, yeah.
Karen, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jasper?
Opo, Father.
Together for the holidays, yeah. Oh, everybody's welcome together for the holidays, yeah. Oh, everybody, come on and feel the love, feel the love, feel the love. Don't it feel so good? Can't get enough, can't get enough, can't get enough, yeah. Together for the holidays.
Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Today, wedding na ni Karen!
I pray na binigay ni Lord lahat ng desire ng puso mo dahil sobra mong deserving sa lahat ng blessing niya. I can at least now selfless and responsible. You are kaya sobrang thankful ako na ikaw ang mapapangasawa ko. Wala naman ako masasabi sa inyo kundi thank you dahil pinalaki niyo ako ng tama at may takot sa Diyos. Salamat.
Magiging masarap ang inyong samahan bilang mag-asawa kung titingnan ninyo ang inyong buhay sa pananaw ng Diyos. Kaya Jasper and Karen, manatili kayo sa Diyos lagi. Ang samot-saring biyaya ng inyong buhay. Otherwise, you forget that you are blessed.
I buried myself in 100 books, and I can't see out.
Jasper, bukal ba sa iyong loob na ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Karen na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
So long, teach me your way, teach me to pray.
Sobrang Latina.
Sing in me your song, that I'll be made strong. When all the world crumbles around.
Ngayong habang binabasa ko tong sulat na to, masaya ko dahil natupad ko ang pangarap ko na iharap ka sa mahal na altar.
Hi, my future wife. Suotin mo na mamayang gabi.
Ay! Parang nakita ko sa Japanese ko.
Wow! Wow!
Hi, mahal. Napakadaming bagay ang gusto kong ipagpasalamat sa'yo, pero gusto kong unahin sa listahan ko ang existence mo. Happy birthday! My 12 years old self would not believe na ang makakatuluyan niya pala ay ang taong minsan niya din nakasalo sa cup noodle sa Boodle Fight 15 years ago sa school camping.
Teach me your way, teach me to pray.
Basta mahal, salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Salamat dahil di mo ako sinukuan kahit anong problema. Pagdaan natin, kahit nung magbarko ako taon-taon, hinihintay mo ako, doon pa lang napakaswerte ko na. Karen Joyce Laude, na best friend ko ng 1 taon, na girlfriend ko ng 14 years, at ngayon, magiging asawa ko na, at magiging Karen Joyce Kapuno na. Salamat dahil ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay.
This is my time. This is my time.
Ngayon at sa araw-araw, ikaw ang palagi kong pipiliin at paulit-ulit kong mamahalin. I love you today and tomorrow. I love you for life and even after it. Because by then, I will look for you and I will still choose you. Love, your Mrs. Kapuno.
This is my time. 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 My time.